Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Today in this video we're gonna do an unboxing of this package which I got from coolwings.com. So basically I got a package from Coolwings. I ordered for a pair of two sunglasses. So this is the package itself. So I got this product from Coolwings. Heard good things about this coolwings.com, and also I watch a lot of videos in YouTube that there are different offers included. So if you order sunglasses or any eye glasses or product from coolwings.com. So as you can see, this is the package itself. So in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and give you guys an initial impressions about the sunglasses that I bought from this Coolwings. So just before that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and click that red subscribe button. It would help me to motivate this kind of more videos like this. And also if you're liking this video till now, definitely give this video a like as well. And with that being said, let's get right into the unboxing. So as you can see, this is a sealed product. So as you can see, it's mentioned coolwings.com and eyeglasses and sunglasses. I will definitely give you the link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that. And also there's an offer going on cashkaro.com. So if you go through cashkaro.com, which obviously I would be giving the link for in the description below, so there will be some cashbacks extra you can earn from cashkaro.com. I might give you a screenshot as well. So I bought it from under 1,000 rupees and I got a cashback of around 300 rupees that is supposed to come to my bank account within next 2 months. I might give you a screenshot for that in that video. So let's check out the product. As you can see, this is a sealed box, and if I go back, let me show you the price for the sunglass. So one sunglass, it cost 472, and two of them, it totally costed me 944. And also, as I told you, if you're gonna pay through phone pay, there's offer going on. You can get up till like 500 rupees cashback. So let me just unbox this product for you. As you can see, it's a sealed box. All right, so this is the box itself. Let me open. Okay, so we have a nice carrying case, I guess. This is the bag itself. It seems eyeglass and sunglasses. Okay, it's for men and women. I'll give you the link in the description below. There are definitely cool sunglasses and eyeglasses available in the website. So if you really are looking for a pair of cool sunglasses or two, definitely you might want to check this website out, man. So this is really a cool bag that they have given me. And let's see, as I told you that I have ordered a pair of sunglasses. So this is how they will come to you. So as you can see, they will give you this kind of box, and the first thing is like the material quality used for this box. It's kind of like cool. If you're going out for a beach, or if you're going out on travel, you want to carry your sunglasses, you can obviously carry this thing on this box. So definitely, so let me just keep this box aside and let me just focus on the product itself. So as you can see, these are the two products. So one by one, I'm gonna just open this box and see how is the real product itself. So right, this comes in a package, and also we get a cleaning cloth itself in the box. So that's nice. So let me just see the product. Okay, okay, so this is the product itself. As you can see, there's a nice product. The quality, I'm holding it right now, and I can tell you the product quality is good. This is a shade of blue that I have ordered from the website. If you want, you can order in any shades. There are different shades available. This one is in blue, so this one is nice. And also, as I told you, that you get a cleaning cloth for this one, and there's a carrying case. So definitely the quality of the sunglass looks good. Yeah, it definitely is cool, man. This is kind of a different style. And let me open the other one for you. Let me open the box. Alright, so the same thing, we get a cleaning cloth. So this is of a kind of a different style that I've ordered. So let me open this one as well. Right, so what we have here, right, so this is a different style. As you can see, this also looks cool. The quality is also cool, and there's some texture going on over through this frame, as you can see. This is also a shade of blue, so definitely if you're gonna wear this sunglass, it will look cool, man. So definitely by holding this, I can say the quality of this sunglass are really good, so I really have to use them. So definitely these are the sunglasses, as you can see right now. So then again, that's kind of makes it up for this video. I just want to show you these products which I bought from coolwings.com. I know this is not kind of a tech video, but then again, as I told you that I would be leaving the product link in the description below, as well as the link for the cashkaro.com. If you go through cashkaro.com, you will get cashbacks, definitely. So I bought this product, as I showed you, it costed me around 944, and I got a cashback of 372 rupees, which definitely will take some time for them to encash them to my bank account, but definitely it's gonna come. I might give you a screenshot as well, as I told you earlier in this video. That was a short video, me unboxing these products which I got from coolwings.com. If you like the video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up, and till now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell notification icon, so that when I upload a new video, notification would obviously come to you first if you're using phone or a tablet. So then again, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.